In front of me is CUBOT X19 S, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, you need to reach Settings, then find and select Display and click on Advanced. Now select Wallpaper, and here you can pick the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from. So it can be one from live wallpapers, some from your own photos, or just the general wallpapers album. And this is the one that I would like to choose my wallpaper from. And here you can select the picture that you'd like to cover your screen with, and let me choose, for example, this one. Then click on Set Wallpaper to apply it, and finally decide if you want it to cover your home screen only, just your lock screen, or both of them. And I will pick this third option, and as you can see, from now on this brand new wallpaper is covering both your home screen and also lock screen of this CUBOT. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.